Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ed Samuel and I make money online promoting offers with recurring payment like your favorite apps and services. Here is a little story. It took me a long time to figure out how to do this. I tried lots of things and then I met someone named John Cristani who showed me a free blueprint that changed everything. Now, I want to share that same blueprint with you. If you are having a hard time making money online, don't worry. Today, I'm giving you the same blueprint that helped me. With this blueprint, you can make money even while you are sleeping. And guess what? As you make money, you also build a list by collecting their email addresses. It's like getting two treats in one. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wished you could have recurring income coming in all the time without doing much? Well, this blueprint helps you do just that and is much easier and faster than you might think. From paying bills, going to fun vacations, this blueprint covers everything. But remember, it's not magic. There's a special way to do it, and I'm going to show you the strategy step by step. Ready to get started? Just click the link below and get your free blueprint. And if you have any question, just shoot me an email and I'm here to help, not just to put money in my pocket. So talk to you soon.